Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO A17. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter a Google Pay app. Tap Get Started. And from the homepage of this app, you can add payment method, manage your passes, and add new passes. If you go to menu, you've got access to all of your payment methods. You can check full list of participating banks. Check tutorial about how to pay. And your recent activity. Next, in settings, you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, offers and tips, and you can edit your account info. In contactless setup, you would be able to check if NFC is on and some other functions, but unfortunately this function is not available because this phone doesn't have NFC. Next, you can go to help and support, send feedback, and in the end you can manage your Google account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.